What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Happy New Year. We're now in 2023. It's been a while since my last video, but your boy been grinding, just trying to find the best profitable strategies for you. And with my absence, I'm actually proud to say that I found, we've developed a few strategies which has been profitable over the period of my absence, which is around 3 months or so or more. But this stuff takes time when it comes to patience is everything. So today, guys, is just a update as to what we've been up to, and just kind of warm you guys up for the year 2023. A lot of traders have been having a hard time. I'm getting a lot of messages as to how is it you can actually become a profitable trader. What are the things you need to know? And we have so many goodies for 2023, guys. I've completed the signal system, so we now have free signals in our Telegram channel. We do Forex pairs, VIX pairs. Right now, the VIX synthetic indices signals are not yet ready, but Forex signals are ready and the signals are active. So whenever you're ready to join the team, just go ahead and check out the links in the description. Take you right there, and just subscribe to the channel to be notified of our future updates and video releases, as they will also help you to kind of navigate within our Telegram channel and how to use these signals that we send out daily profitably. Alright, so like I said, guys, it's a lot. So basically what we'll be doing for the 1st of January, going straight throughout this month, is we'll be showing you how you can actually use our signal system to become consistently profitable. Now, I know that a lot of you guys are used to just a regular buy and sell signal being sent out, whether you're a part of Telegram group or you just take signals in general. Usually it's just a standard buy. So now, the twist with our signals is that we've went ahead and done the research for you. In fact, our program is called the Earn and Learn program, because what we have done is not only are we providing you profitable signals, but also we are teaching you the fundamentals of the market. So it's just beautiful, guys. You'll be learning how the market works, how the market moves, why traders get stopped out, and just why some are more profitable than others. And these are the keys to the markets. You learn about these strategies within any journey of your Forex, like whether you're a pro trader or a newbie, you'll come across these topics in these strategies because they are essential to learning how the market moves and how to capture those moves when they occur. So, that's it, guys. It's a lot. But I'm glad that the channel is back up. I'm glad to start this year with you guys. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, jump on in our Telegram channel and see what's happening. There's big stuff in store for this year. Alright, 2023 is the year, guys. So, without much further ado, let's go again and let's check out what is happening with the PabloPips. So I want to go ahead and jump over to my FX book. If you guys don't know what my FX book is, it's basically a website that verifies your trading status. Like, is this a consistently profitable trader? Is this trader doing well? It is your portfolio, which persons can access to get an update on your consistency of your trading. Alright, so I'm going to jump on over to my FX book and let's take a look at one of the systems we've been working on. So a lot of you guys are derivative crazy. I know that there's a lot of derivative fans out there. Synthetic indices has taken over the world by storm. If you don't know what VIX or synthetic indices is, it's a game changer. Alright. In fact, a lot of persons are abandoning Forex to try out synthetic indices because it's 24/7. It's easily leveraged and the payouts are like super instant. So yeah. So this system, guys, is or derivative dragon. All right, this system trades big synthetic indices, and we've been working and testing this for a couple of months now, with much success. If you realize and take a look here, let me see if I can get up my drawing tools. If you take a note, we started this account with a $10,000 balance, and we started somewhere in October, right? So by November the 13th, there we started to pick up momentum. You can see the profits gain right here, over 50% gain by November the 13th, and a steady increase as time progressed all the way to December the 18th is where I had stopped it, because at this point I was like, no man, this is crazy. All right, this system just doubled the 10K account, all right, in like 3 months. All right, so this is the same method and strategy that um, I'll be using or applying to funded accounts and funded challenges and prop firms. This system not only works with synthetic indices, it also works with Forex pairs. It works very well on gold, and it is able to pass any prop firm as well. So all of these features and services will also be in the Telegram group, guys. I'm telling you, that link is gold. We're getting free signals, and I'm telling you, accurately profitable signals. These signals aren't a guess. These signals are based on what markets are doing. And yeah, guys. In my absence, guys, I've been grinding, just trying to make shit right for you, and I'm actually happy that I'm excited about this year, guys. This month, I'm so excited because there's a lot of good things gonna happen for a lot of people. All right, this month. So yeah, guys, if you want more info about this and just to kind of find out what exactly we have planned going out for the year and how you can participate and be a part of this, like I said, reach out to me on Telegram. That's the best and fastest source right now. Also, you can check out my Instagram as well. I do respond to messages over on Instagram. So my Instagram is Pablo_Pips. You can go ahead and check it out. I don't post there as much just because I haven't been focusing on too much content, just more on the development side and just getting the system ready for this year. So I haven't been posting a lot of content, but now that the groundwork is completed and our signal system is fully accurate and going, I think I do have a lot more times to get back to a lot of messages. So that's what I'll be doing for this year. It's totally customer driven and feedback driven. I want to get these feedback based on the work and the system's performance. So I'll be looking for a lot of that this year from you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. All right, so this video has been like 8 minutes, guys. I'm gonna cut it right here. And again, happy new year, guys. Welcome to the new trading year. I hope to see you on another side. Links in the description. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and you don't want to miss this. I'm out.